Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online classes. Okay, today we are going to study Civics third chapter, Our Government. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about what is government, what are the functions of the government, what are the type of the government. Yes, okay. It is a type of organization that rules or govern a country. That means it is responsible everything in the country. What is government? It is a type of organization. Government is a type of organization that rules or govern a country. Government is a type of organization that rules or govern a country. And that means it is responsible everything in the country. Okay. That means what the government is responsible for everything in that country. Yes, okay. Once again, government is a type of organization that rules or govern a country. Yes, okay. That means it is responsible everything in the country. Yes. Whatever it is happened in the country actually controlled by the government. Whatever happened in the country, it all actually controlled by a government. From where we got this word government? The word government came from the Greek word kubernismos, which means a pilot a ship. To pilot a ship. This means what? To pilot a ship. If a ship represents a state, the government tries to guide its people towards better lives while avoiding problems. While avoiding problems such as war, crime, economic troubles, etc. Yes, okay, got it? Government is wherever or whenever it needed. What is government? Government is wherever or whenever it is needed. And government has so many functions. Or the government has so many functions. What are the functions? The government has so many functions there are countless functions. The government has countless functions. We can't count what are the functions of the government. So many functions of the government. And next, what are then what are the functions of the government? Okay, the first function. The main function of the government are to make laws and ensure that the people living in a country follow them. The government function is to make laws. The government function is to make laws, and not only to make laws, and ensure that the people living in a country follows them. To make laws and the laws, people living in a country that follows the law. Okay. The next one, to improve the infrastructure of the country and raise the standard of living of the people. The government function is to improve the infrastructure of the country and also raise the standard of living of the people by providing the facilities such as that electricity, that clean drinking water and healthcare. The government to improve the infrastructure of the facilities such as that electricity, clean drinking water and healthcare. And the next function of the government, to prevent crime and maintain law and order. The government function is to prevent crime within or without the other countries also. And to maintain law and order within the country, to maintain law and order. To prevent crime and maintain law and order. Yes, okay. Then the next function, to protect the country from foreign invasion. The government's function, most important function, is to protect our country from other countries that war or everything. To protect the country from foreign invasion. The next, the government's function is to build bridge, dam, canals and highways. Government's function is to build a bridge, canal, dam, highways, etc. This is also government's function. Okay. The next function is to provide transport facilities. Government function is to provide transport facilities in the form of bus, railways and airways. Government function is to provide transport facilities such as that buses, railways and also airways. Yes, the next function to ensure economic development of the country. The government function is to ensure the economic development of the country. Then to build schools, colleges and other educational institutions also government's function. The government is to build schools, colleges and other education institutions. These are the government's function. Okay, to make a law and to prevent crime and to protect our country from foreign invasion, provide transport facilities to ensure economic development and to build school, colleges and other education institutions. Yes, okay. Then for improve these all or for smooth conditions of the government need what? Income. To improve these all conditions, the government need income or money. How the government get income? The government get income from many ways. The money is obtained by the people in the form of taxes. The government obtain money in the form of taxes. It is given by the people. Government levies taxes and the people of the country have to pay them. The government levies taxes. The people to have to pay the taxes. Income tax and sales tax. The two income tax and sales tax. These are the two taxes that the important taxes that levied by the government. What are the two important taxes levied by the government? Income tax and sales tax. The government performs at various levels. Okay. Can you follow me that this one? Yes. Then the government performs at various levels. Because in a huge country like India, it is not possible for a single government to efficiently govern to the entire country. By the government performs various levels because like India, it's a huge country and it is not possible for a single government to efficiently govern the entire country. Each level has its own set of responsibilities. The government has so many levels and each level has its own set of responsibilities. For the sake of governance, the country is divided into states and union territories. For the sake of the governors, the country is divided into states and union territories. We will learn about this working of the government in details in the subsequent classes. Okay. One of the most important function of the government is to make laws. I told you one of the most important function of the government is to make laws. All the people of the country have to abide by the law. Why the laws are important? Because they ensure that people live in a peaceful and regulated manner. The law ensure that people live in a peaceful and regulated manner. For example, if a person violating the traffic rule, it is always punishable. Okay, violating the traffic rule is always punishable. It is also a punishable offence for them. Yes, the violating the traffic is a punishable offence because people that if they are not follow the traffic rule, they can invite danger. People who are not follow the traffic rule, they can invite that danger in their own life as well as the passers by. The people who are not follow the that laws or the traffic rules, they can invite danger in their own life and also that others. they passes by. Those who are the other passengers. Passes by the other passengers on the road. Okay. For them also they are giving that danger. Invite danger. So in that case, there are some traffic rules which we need to follow. For that case, in that type of case, there are some traffic rules which we need to follow. Now, a traffic police, if he has the rules, the laws made by the government or constitution with the laws given to them as well as the power given to him take some decisions, then only it is possible to that perform to maintain laws and regulations, and that definitely control the crime. Okay. If he has the rules, that traffic, that police also has the rules, the laws made by the government or the constitution. The rules are made by the government or the constitution with the laws given to them, as well as the power to give that, as well as the power given to him take some decisions, then only it is possible to that person to maintain law and regulation, and that definitely control the crime. Yes, okay. The government law and regulation is well maintained. The government law and regulation is well maintained. We can control crime. A police station that is made for that and the police station is under government control. The police station is made for to control the crime, and the police that it is under the control of the government, and the government always keep the police force ready whenever it is needed. The government always keep a police force ready whenever it is needed to the common citizens, whenever it is needed to the common citizen or common people. For what? For protect any of these unwanted circumstances. For protect any of that type of unwanted circumstances, which unwanted crime or that violation of our constitution. Police forces are always to the government, and it is the part of the administration. Yes, okay. And also the part of the government. With their help, government is maintaining peace, maintaining law and regulation and control of the crime. Okay. With the help of this force, government is maintaining peace, maintaining law and regulation and control crimes. Okay, I think you are following this all, and continue next class. Okay, then goodbye. See you. Take care.